was so overwhelmed this week. So, as some of you may know, the Lord told me I'm not going back to corporate. I got laid off my tech corporate job in January, and He gave me instructions saying that my gifts in this season will make room for me. I'm nervous, and He's made it clear as to what vehicle He's using to get the glory and to also use the gifts He's placed within me. And this week I was just putting my plans together. I've been executing on the instructions He's been giving me, but I felt so much overwhelmed. I was putting so much pressure on myself to get it right and to get it right on time. I did not realize how that was leading me to so much procrastination. My gosh, like I felt like I was working on the same things for 3 weeks straight, and I'm like, what is going on? I feel so overwhelmed. I feel so bogged down. The Holy Spirit said, Chisum, just do three things that will get you to the next ordained step. And I was like, oh, that's easy. The steps compound. Like you have to do one step before getting to the next step. And I was like, oh, yeah, you're right. As always, as always. And so I implore you guys, if the Lord is calling you to execute on something He's given to you in this season, ask the Holy Spirit, what is one thing, just one thing that I can do to get me to the next step, right? Don't overcomplicate the process. And we know us ambitious women, we do that way too much. Simplify the process.